It's a bright Monday morning in Langley, British Columbia. Andrew Hallam, a school teacher, sets up his classroom for the day like any other. But by night, he's quietly grown a $1 million investment portfolio, starting with just a teacher's salary, no inheritance, no secret hacks. How did he beat Wall Street's slick salesmen and dodge financial fads to pull this off? The secret's not fancy, it's simpler, smarter, and something every average person can do. Let's dig into how Andrew turned his modest income into serious wealth. It's not about luck or timing, it's about clear choices few make. Andrew recounts how after years of focusing on textbooks and lesson plans, he stumbled upon low-cost index funds. He didn't chase hot stocks or trendy investments, he quietly funneled his modest teacher salary into Vanguard index funds. By 2017, he'd crossed the $1 million mark, all on a humble teacher's pay. It wasn't a windfall, it was discipline, patience, and smart moves. Think of index funds like a giant buffet. Instead of betting on a single dish, you get a little taste of everything on the stock market's table. This diversity spreads risk wide and keeps costs painfully low, unlike expensive active funds that try to beat the market but often don't. It's the tortoise approach: steady, consistent progress wins the race against flashy quick bets. When markets nosedive, most panic and sell, locking in losses. Andrew's mindset flipped that script. He saw market crashes like sales at his favorite store, opportunities, not threats. Over time, this psychological edge saved him from costly mistakes. By embracing volatility calmly, his portfolio grew stronger during every downturn, turning fear into a long-term advantage. Most financial advisors want to sell you complexity, and they profit whether you win or lose. Andrew's story exposes the traps they set. Andrew learned early on that many advisors earn juicy commissions pushing high-fee mutual funds and products with sneaky hidden charges. He found countless teachers and friends unknowingly bleeding money through these fees. This wasn't advice, it was a sales pitch wrapped in slick packaging. Dodging these traps meant taking control and choosing investments that put your money, not theirs, first. From mortgage churning to speculative, silver bullet stocks, Andrew warns against chasing fads that promise overnight riches. Like a kid chasing ice cream vans on a hot day, it's easy to get excited, but these schemes often collapse, leaving you holding nothing but disappointment. Instead, sticking to basic, time-tested investing rules shields you from these shiny but deadly distractions. Imagine trying to swim against a roaring waterfall. That's what it's like fighting the constant barrage of sensational financial news and stock tips. Andrew's breakthrough was learning to tune out the noise and follow a steady, simple plan. Blocking the chaos freed him from anxiety and impulsive decisions and let compounding work its magic behind the scenes. Andrew's approach isn't just theory. It lines up directly with Warren Buffett's tried-and-true investing wisdom. Buffett, the world's most famous value investor, publicly recommends average investors put their money in low-cost index funds. Andrew quotes Buffett's $1 million bet on index funds beating hedge funds over 10 years, an emphatic win for simple investing. That endorsement sealed Andrew's conviction. You don't need complex moves to build wealth, just the right foundation. Buffett's genius isn't just about picking stocks. It's about owning a mindset that treats market drops as chances to buy more, not signals to sell everything. Andrew learned that a strong psychological fortress protects your savings from emotional storms. This mental resilience is as vital as the math behind the market. Being the oracle means mastering patience and ignoring the crowd. Andrew shares how thinking long-term, focusing on what you can control, and ignoring daily market drama transforms ordinary people into extraordinary investors. It's less about timing and more about temperament and tactics. Remember Andrew in that quiet classroom in Langley? The same guy who graded papers by day quietly built a $1 million nest egg by night, using simple, proven principles you can use too. So next time you stress over investments, try this. Pick a low-cost index fund, set up automatic monthly buys, and then walk away. Wealth built patiently beats wealth chased desperately every time. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.